Open up your Adobe Illustrator and get a document size of 1920 by 1080 pixels. There you can see I'm making a rectangle square size and then just duplicating it to 3 squares with holding Alt and dragging, and one by one I'm going to select few colors like here cyan and red with yellow, or you can copy the color code, get back to the video and copy the color code, or you can use your own colors. Just select, drag and select all of 3, hold Alt and drag to duplicate them, and one by one going to each of them, double clicking, opening in this color picker, lowering the brightness to 60%, say. So doing this for all of the 3, we are getting our 6 color palette for this project. And then I'm just making a rectangle, locking it by going to object and lock, and then I'm using the type tool, shortcut T, using this prestige font, a retro look, yes, like this, and then just duplicating it by holding Alt and dragging it below. Remember to drag or adjust the size of the font, or just type in any number, whatever feels you happy. And then the below one, right click and create outlines. Once done with that, just hold Alt and drag it to an angle like this. So that's it, but it's duplicated in that particular angle. And just go to object, blend, make. Again, object, blend options. There specified steps. Enter the new amount of steps like 100, 200. Changing the color from here by clicking I, or just choosing the eyedropper tool. Dragging that text back to here like this so that it's in front. Check out, zoom in and check out that it's in proper place. Again, I'm changing the color to yellow. Here, just sending it and making a duplicate as earlier, but in different angle like this, and again blending it with the same way. We get this complete yellow blend, and I'm going to change this color to that darker red color that we had earlier in the palette, and now just again duplicating that particular text that we have in above, and bringing it to front, changing it to yellow like this, duplicating by Ctrl C and hitting Ctrl F to place in front, and just making the outline go darker red, and set the strokes as you can see on the screen. It will be something like this. Just slide the text a little bit, just slide the text a little bit holding arrow keys, and again just duplicating, making a white outline like this. Select the yellow, that basic text, and the red outline text one, and holding shape builder tool, I'm just minusing out, holding alt and dragging on the area wherever I don't need that red color. It's just deleting them out. Remember, before doing this dragging thing and shape builder thing, just keep in mind that just check once that your red outline shape is completely expanded. It's in the fill, not in the stroke form. Otherwise, this will not happen in a correct way. Now, just select the yellow typeface, just copy and again paste in front, go to the swatches panel here, select the hamburger menu, there select patterns, there select open swatch library, there is pattern by default, and there is the basic graphics. From there I select these lines, just double click on the swatch panel where that particular pattern is, Control A, and you can change your line color to any of the colors. Right now it's changed to red. Here you can see how it is looking in a nice way. And now quickly grab your pen tool, make shapes, particularly as you can see on the screen I am making individually for individual letters, so that this will add the color, the shadow thing, the color shadow thing to the text and give it a more retro look. So this was all for now, and if you like this video, please turn the black thumb blue and share it with your friends. I update weekly with lots of fun videos about tutorials on Adobe Illustrator, text effects, and much more.